Introducing the LE-C1 Series All-in-One dvLED displays with COB technology. Large, vivid indoor displays with high contrast performance, even in the brightest of spaces. Designed to offer the benefits of an all-in-one dvLED display while utilizing a streamlined component design, the displays are operating system free and features essential controls, enabling a robust set-it-and-forget-it solution for delivering your content. Choose from 3 models: a 135-inch display, an expansive 162-inch display, and for ultra-high resolution, a 135-inch 4K UHD display. Every LE-C1 display integrates essential components for a seamless, out-of-the-box experience. Discover a truly expansive visual canvas with exceptional 600 nits of brightness and striking high-contrast performance, even in the brightest of spaces, all in a sleek, modern package with a slim profile. Wall-mountable or paired with an optional floor stand, the edge-to-edge display provides a full visual experience with hidden yet accessible AV ports and essential controls. The pull-out control box allows for fast service access if needed. Experience fast installation and setup with a pre-configured controller and pre-assembled cabinet columns. The factory-adjusted modules ensure a uniform image right out of the box. The LE-C1 series features the latest COB dvLED technology for enhanced image quality and durability. LED chips are bonded directly to the PCB, topped with a dark encapsulation layer. The result: deep contrast, high pixel density, and a more uniform, continuous image. Add in HDR support and over 90% DCI P3 coverage, and what you get is a picture that's vivid, bright, and true to life. The same encapsulation layer also protects the display surface, and IK04 rated for impact resistance, built to last in high-traffic spaces. COB technology isn't just about image quality compared to traditional SMD-type dvLED. It draws less power and produces less heat. The display surface stays cool to the touch, and you'll see real energy savings. The 135-inch models run from a single, standard 120-volt power source that features 2 HDMI inputs, optical SPDIF, 3.5mm line-level audio, Bluetooth remote, and land control. Incredible image quality, robust design. All of this backed by a brand with decades of experience in the education, corporate, and commercial display market. High-impact display, made simple. Learn more at Epson.com.